company was founded in 1967, initially starting in graphic overlays and printed circuit boards for the electronic market. We later diversified into industrial print and graphics. A lot of the systems that we have internally have been homegrown and have served a purpose, but as we move into the 21st century and beyond, we realise we need to move to a more stable digital ecosystem.
I think Made Smart has made us a lot more digitally savvy. It's brought different things to us as a business, which we only know what we know, and unless we've got people like Made Smarter coming to assist us, we don't really know what's in the field.
Because of the lack of knowledge in the business around digital transformation, we needed to bring in expertise that could help us define a roadmap, introduce us to peers that could show us what works, what hasn't worked, best practices, and the extensive network of qualified partners and support mechanisms surrounding it.
We as a business, we had a grant from Made Smarter to bring in a flatbed laser cutting machine.
It's brought a level of automation to what we do. It's helped us use less staff for more equipment. QR code systems help us plan work. We can put more volume through, which is really helping.
We needed to find a way to provide efficiencies in the business, but also give us real-time data on the capacity of said machine.
We will be moving forward as a business digitally. We've got our intern, he's taking us to another level within the business on the AI front, and we are moving forward on an ERP system which will help us move our manufacturing through different leagues.
We are on a very aggressive digital roadmap for the next 24 months. The next big project for us is an integrated ERP system to integrate with our finance package as well, to give us real-time production planning, production capacity and stock management.
Made Smarter, it really helped us. Our competitors will be thinking the same as what we are. These bits of equipment are becoming the norm within the businesses now.
I definitely recommend Made Smarter for businesses like MTM. It's the network really, that's the thing that's helped us. For MTM, it's been absolutely superb.
We would certainly recommend Made Smarter. The help and the support that is given to our business has been invaluable. The expertise that it gives us as well in training and upskilling our staff has been tremendous.